Did you know that the worst thing that you can do nowadays is start an Instagram theme page? Yes, you heard that correctly. In this video, I will be saying the best alternative for Instagram theme pages. And no, I will not be selling any course, especially this alternative is 100% free and risk-free. You can start this alternative today with just your phone. So before we get into it, can you please drop a subscribe as it helps me a lot? Thanks. Make sure to watch till the end, because I will be giving you some secret websites that can 10x your earnings. Let's go! The best free alternative for Instagram theme pages is Facebook theme pages. Now, before you say it's highly competitive, just think how many reels and shorts you have seen saying you to start an Instagram theme page. And because of those reels, there has been an increase of theme pages in Instagram by 15%. So this is what you are going to be doing today to start a Facebook theme page. Step 1. Create a brand new Facebook account in whatever niche that you love. Make sure there is a huge audience for that niche. Step 2. Do the branding for the page. You can create a logo and banner from canva.com and find a unique name for your page from namelix.com. It's free. And the final step is to create short-form content. Believe me, it's going to take you a lot of time. So all you have to do is go to viralfinder.com and find viral content in your niche and download them. Make sure to add your own branding to the content. Try posting at least 3 times a day, comment the word time, and I will give you the best times to post for free. After you grow a huge audience, you can either make your own digital product from gumroad.com for free and sell it through your page, or you can do affiliate marketing. That's it. And you are on your way to start making tons of money from your Facebook theme page. I upload content on how to make money from the social media apps that you already have on your phone for free. Please drop a like and subscribe to support me. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. I hope to see you in the next video.